yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's a two-wheeling time. A good old-fashioned two-wheeling, getting busy on the boys in blue. They're going to take their wrists and give it a mighty twist and get downright dangerous with it. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy two-wheelings down? Or will the two-wheelings take that mighty, 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 mighty wrist, give it a mighty twist, and say, devil, hop on back, we going for a ride, and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Now you know you a fool when you put a camera on the back of your bike and you wave at it. You know you about to act a fool. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah, but do. Body on earth, wrist twist from hell. Here I come, devil. I hope you can keep up. That thing was screaming. Okay, we definitely got a wild man. We got ourselves a wild one. I think this guy's name is Mustang Dane. Listen to that beautiful sound. Man, I miss my bike. I just don't want to get back on it, man. It's just too dangerous. It ain't even worth it. I love them, but man. Oh, listen to this bike. Man, this thing sounds crazy. It sounds ferocious, demonic. Man, he flying on this bike. I see you, Mustang Dan. You got yourself a monster. This thing is crazy. This is crazy. I feel like I'm on the back of his bike as his cameraman. I feel like I'm holding on to the camera like this. That thing sounds so good. I think he's supposed to get chased by the police in here. Y'all sent me the video. Supposed to be the police. There go the police right there. Speak of the devil. Maybe he gonna leave him alone. Oh, he coming up on him fast. Oh my goodness. He ain't got his lights on though. Oh, the lights on. Wrist twist from hell. Oh my goodness, he is leaving this cop. Oh my goodness. That thing is screaming. Ooh, he got that wrist twist all the way down. It's in hell. Release the devil's throat. This is crazy. Ain't no way that cop can keep up with him. Absolutely not. Why even turn your lights on? Oh my goodness. This dude is moving. He got to be doing almost 200. We literally watching time travel before our eyes. Is that the cop? Man, this is insane. This is one of the best sounding exhausts I done heard on a bike in a long. His exhaust might have been a little bit better than mine. Man, you're gonna need a telly chopper. That's the only way you're gonna keep up with him. They gotta have the telly chopper. You know they radio for backup. Might be too late because he moving. Yeah, he created separation and jumped straight off the exit. Smart man. Meet me in the comments. He was getting busy. Listen to how this thing be screaming, dawg. Listen to this. Ooh. Give you chills, don't it? Watch how he smoked the cop, though. This is insane. Here you go right here where he smoked the cop, y'all. And the cop tried to fake him out like he wasn't really gonna get behind him. And I think dude was like, yeah, I think dude thought he slowed down fast enough. This cop was gonna mess with him anyway just because of the exhaust on the bike. Look at the cop trying to come up on him fast without the lights, trying to fake him out. Like he ain't really chasing him. You know you chasing him, man. Try to keep your lights off. Turn them on, punk. Now earn your paycheck. Wrist twist from hell. This dude is moving. He outrunning the sunlight. Oh my goodness, the sun can't even keep up with this demon. We got us a demon on a bike. A two-wheelian. This is insane. You gotta love the sound of a bike, man. When they sound like, you gotta love it, man. My goodness, man. This one he went crazy. Look, he going crazy right here. Nasty work, man. But with that being said, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And do not forget to share this video. Share this video to one of your fellow two-wheelians. If you know a two-wheelian, show them this is how you get down. This is how you ride a bike. This is how you make a fool out of the boys in blue. And before you do that, make sure you put a little bit of hype points in this Avengers Cup. I would definitely appreciate it. But with that being said, let me leave you with some positivity. Time waits for absolutely nobody, and you are not the exception. You hear me? I hope you don't think time's gonna stop for you, because it's not. If you go to prison, it ain't gonna stop for you. If you stop doing what you're supposed to do, it ain't gonna stop for you. If you keep on wasting time, it ain't gonna stop for you. It's gonna keep on going. And one day, Father Time is gonna come knocking on the door saying, come with me. And you know what that means. That means either you got your wings, the feathery kind, or you got your devil wings, the leathery kind. Which one do you want? But if you keep on wasting time in life, thinking that you got all day, thinking that you got an eternity, you're going to find out the hard way that time doesn't wait for nobody. What I'm saying is get your stuff together. Get your stuff together before it's too late. I know I'm in my 20s. I got some time. No, you don't. I'm 19. I'm 18. I got time. No, you don't. You don't got no time. I said the same thing when I was your age. I'm 44 right now. It went by like this. A snap of a finger. Stop wasting time. That's all I'm trying to say. Now, one day you're going to get to an age, my age, and if things didn't work out, you're going to say, I wish I would have listened to the King Werewolf, Uncle T-Light. You're going to say, I wish I would have listened to T-Light when he told me to stop wasting time. You better take heed. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue, especially on the two wheels. But if you are a two-wheelian, listen to me when I say this. If you're going to be a two-wheelian and you want to act a bona fide fool, you might want to, listen to me now, Take lessons from Mustang Dame.